Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube. Today I am back with another review from Influenster of a fantabulous palette. If you're interested, stay tuned. It is so cold outside tonight in Houston. I hope you guys are warm wherever you are. I am in the warmth of my room. I'm trying out new makeup products and I am so excited. Don't mind the wristband. I've been in and out of the hospital. I'll explain all of that later. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. And thanks to Influenster who sent me another box. Don't know about Influenster? I'll link their website below. You should definitely join their website. It has millions of people that go on and leave reviews all about not just makeup products but all kinds of other products. All kinds of things are on there that you can leave a review for, and you can also leave questions and other influencers will go on and answer your questions about any products that you might have. You can create wish lists of products that you want. You link all of your social media accounts and you stay active on the website, posting reviews, answering questions, and the like. And quite honestly, if you have enough activity going on their site, you can qualify to be selected for vox boxes of your own to review on your YouTube channel or your social media platform for free. You can go on their Instagram. They post pics of all the different boxes that they send. It is a really cool website, and if you haven't joined, you absolutely should. This time we are reviewing the Bobbi Brown Molten Drama palette. This palette retails for $59. It is exclusive to Sephora and it is already on sale, I do believe, at Sephora's website. You will not find it on Bobbi Brown's website because it is exclusive to Sephora. And this is the gorgeous palette here. This palette features pigment-packed multicolor pearl-infused new chrome metal eyeshadows. These shades includes coppers, golds, earth metals. They shift as the light hits them. It's a creamy powder that feels almost fluid and delivers a molten-like finish, so the shadows can be layered and blended to achieve endless high-impact looks. I did create this eye look with this palette. Tried to use as many of the colors as I could. I think these colors are very gorgeous and very beautiful. If you can see them a little less washed out. There are 10 colors in the palette. 2 of them are mattes. Then we have 5 chrome metal eyeshadows, 2 metallic eyeshadows, and 1 shimmer wash eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches for you. These are the mattes. This is Pale Cream. This is Rock Steady. We then have this shimmer wash, White Flame. These are the metallic shades, Sundays and Steel Orchid. Then we have the chrome metals. This is Strange Fire, Lost Treasure, Love on the Rocks, Metal Vision, and Electric Storm. I can definitely attest to the shadows being able to be layered. I layered 3 on my lid alone. I went in with a couple in my brow highlight, with 1 in my inner corner and another in my lower lash. I went with a bold lip because I was feeling very bold today, but of course you can mute this look down by going with a nice nude. I've been feeling like I've been wearing a lot of nudes lately, so I want to switch it up with a bold color. But today we are talking about the eyeshadows, and I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve this look, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Real up close and personal right now. Y'all are all up in the grill, okay? My eyebrows are done and I got this going on. I cleaned it up because I don't like it when it just looks all over the place, but whatever, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to get into this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Is my transition shade. This is Rock Steady. And I'm going to take this color right here, I believe it's called Steel Orchid, right into my crease with this shade. I'm going to take it again. It's more of a flat-haired brush, and I'm going to go right all over my lid with this color. Oh, stunning. Oh, this color is so pretty in person. Absolutely gorgeous. I could rock this all day by itself, but I want to try out more colors in this palette. So I'm gonna take the JH41 all over the lid brush, and I'm just going to spray it a little bit with some MAC Fix Plus. Now I'm gonna grab this gorgeous shade right here. This shade is Strange Fire. These names. And I love the Bible, and I love to read my Bible, and I do Bible studies here on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen those, you can check them out. But Strange Fire, God doesn't like strange fire. It's so funny because I was watching Yuki last night, and she was actually talking about, like, why don't brands name some of these colors? Like, why don't they come out with like a praise and worship palette where they have like joy and love as some of the names of these colors? It's just kind of funny to me. I don't like the name Strange Fire. I'm gonna call this Copper Rose. I like Copper Rose. It looks kind of like a copperish color with a pink shimmer in it, so I'm gonna call it Copper Rose. We're gonna go right in the middle with this shade. It just makes that orchid color that's underneath like pop. It's just so beautiful. So pretty. Now I'm going to take my all over the lid brush by Crayon Case, and I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to grab this shade right here, and this is Love on the Rocks, and it's a chrome metal, a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to take it right up the middle. Three different colors fanned on top of each other. I'm gonna go back into this matte that we used here called Rock Steady. I'm just gonna grab it a bit, back over the edge in the transition shade to grab the edge of that crease shade and blend it out just a bit more. I want to deepen up the outer corner, so I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm gonna build it up on the outer edge. As you can see, this color is very buildable. Just add just a bit more depth. The outer corner already creates sort of a shadow because of the inset of the skin at this point, but I just want to deepen that area up just a bit more. I'm looking for my flat definer. Girl, where's you hiding? I keep my eye brushes separate from my face. Yep, there she is. She's in my face brush cup right here. A little flat definer. I'm gonna take this beautiful color right here. I just want to try as many shades as I can. And this one is called Electric Storm. And it is so pretty, guys. I love that shade. I actually would like to go all over the lid with this shade, but not today. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna go right in my lower lash with it. I'm gonna tight line it. So pretty, and I think Electric Storm is a perfect name for this shade. I'm gonna highlight around the eyes a bit, and I would take this shade again right here into my highlight, but because I'm gonna try as many colors as possible, I'm going to actually take this beautiful golden shade right here, and this one called Lost Treasure. It's a really pretty shade. Highlight the inner eye. I'm gonna flip my brush to the other side and take a bit of the darker one, and this is Metal Vision. Go underneath the golds of that one. And I want to add a pop of something to my waterline, so I'm going to take the NYX eyeliner, Pure White, and line my waterline with that. I'm going to take the La Splash Cosmetics Architect Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. I love how this pen lays down the eyeliner, precise and very smooth. I'm going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. There again, it's just one of those names. Now I'm actually going to take the Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara. Am I the only one that does that? I'll take a different mascara wand on the lower lash to be more precise. I feel like I always get mascara on my lower lash, and the bigger ones just set me up for failure in my lower lash. Poise Kiss Lashes. And now I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face. This is the completed look, guys. I hope you enjoy this eye look. As for the palette, I think the palette is absolutely gorgeous. I love the packaging. Beautiful detailing that makes it look molten. It's magnetic, so when you close it, it kind of just pulls back into place and snaps. It has a big, beautiful mirror with the colors on the bottom, of course. As for the eyeshadows, I love them. I love that they layered so well. I was able to blend them out like a dream. This kind of quality of shade blends out a little better to me than the eyeshadows that I normally would use. But for $59, you guys know I normally don't buy $59 palettes. I stick to the Morphe palettes where I get 39 colors for $39. You really get your money's worth in that type of price range. With these shades, this is a luxury brand. You only get 10 shades for $59 that you're going to spend, but of course the quality of the eyeshadows is definitely there. So I would say you get your money's worth with this as well. This eyeshadow palette gets a big thumbs up. Big thanks to Influenster for sending this palette to me to try out and review for you guys. Question of the day. Are you guys planning on trying out this palette? Drop a comment below and let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Don't forget, I did apply to be part of the 2019 Sephora Squad. They have asked that you guys leave testimonials for your girl. I will include the link below. Also, if you haven't heard, the giveaway for March is open. I will also include that link below as well. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. Thank you for joining in, and I will see you lovely, beautiful people next time. Mwah. Spray it a little bit with some MAC Fix Plus. I missed the brush altogether. Fail.